Welcome to Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology, Kukas, Jaipur. I am Harish Chawla from her Department of Civil Engineering. So, today we are discuss about principles of surveying and scales. Surveying. It can be defined as the science and art of determining the relative position of various points above and below the surface of Earth. The relative position between two points can be determined by horizontal distance and angle between two points, vertical distance and angle between two points. Principle of surveying. Work from whole to part. A large man work must be established with the great accuracy. The framework must be consist widely spaced, which will control the other points to the establishing. The advantage of working from whole to part is the error in small framework are localized and don't mag- magnifies so that accumulation of error is controlled. Location of points with reference at least 2 points. If we measure distance AC and BC, we can be locate point C on the sheet on the swinging on arch of distance. Third point is adequate check must be provided. Fourth point is suitable method to be chosen. Fifth point is care in recording data. Plan and maps. A plan graphical representation that can be features or mean the earth's surface or project on a horizontal plane. Map. A map is generally drawn on relative small scale. A map generally shows some additional features like contours. The scale is generally large from plan and small for maps. Scales. Scale of a plan or map is defined as the fixed ratio of the distance between 2 points on the sheet and their corresponding distance on the ground. Selection of scale depend on first point size of the area surveying. The purpose of the surveying constructed. Third point is required precision of plotting. Type of representation of scales. Engineering scale. 1 semi on the plan is representing some whole number of meters on the ground. For example, 1 semi is equal to 5 meter, which means if the distance between points on the sheet is 1 semi, then the distance between those 2 points on the ground is 5 meters. Such types of scale is known as engineering scale. Representation fraction. Engineering scale can be converted into different representation fraction. For example, the scale is 1 semi is equal to 100 meters. So the representation fraction is 1 by 10,000. The larger denominator of representation fraction, the smaller plane on map. Graphical representation. Graph. The third method to draw a graphical scale on the map. A graphical scale is constructed on a map by drawing a line and marking the ground directly. It is a graphical scale, has the advantage over the other scale. After few years, if the sheet shrinks, then the engineering scale may not give accurate results. But if a graphical scale is drawn on the plan, then the graphic scale also shrinks with the plan. So for the ratio is unaffected. The scale of any scale or map should be larger enough so that is plotting or in scaling distance from the point it will not be necessary to read the scale closer than 0.25 mm. Purpose of surveying. Purpose of surveying. Topographical survey. Scale or representation fracture. So here is the some purpose. According to purpose, scale is used accordingly. Type of scale. Plane scale, diagonal scale or scale of chord. Plane scale. A plane scale is used to measure distance between two digits from example centimeter in and mm, meter and centimeters. For engineering and architect, there are six plane scale has been accommodated is Indian standard A, B, C, D and E and F diagonal scale. This scale works on the principle of equal triangles. Scale of chord, it can be used for angle measurement if we have to make a angle on the driving seat and we don't have a protector, then this scale is very useful. Limit of measurements, linear measurement according to Indian standard of weight and measurement 1976, the limit of measurements of length is unit meters before the metric unit introduced in Indian standard for the use unit of length. Metric unit 10 mm is equal to 1 semi, 10 semi is equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter, 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter, 10 decameter is equal to 1 pentameter and 1 hectameter. 10 hectameter is equal to 1 kilometer British unit. 10 inches is equal to 1 feet, 3 feet is equal to 1 yard, 66 feet is equal to 4 poles or 52 poles is equal to 1 miles. Angular measurement, an angle is the space between two intersecting line and a surface at area close to the point where the meet at radian are unit of plane angle. There are three systems of angular measurements. Sexagesimal units. One circumference is equal to 360 meters. 1 degree is equal to 360 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Second one is centesimal system. One centifoot is equal to 400 grade. 1 grade is equal to 400 centigrade. 1 centigrade is equal to 1000 centigrade. Third one is Overlay system. 1 centifoot is equal to 24 hours. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Thank you.